Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and I'm gonna give you a quick overview of these stainless steel, I'm gonna call them cooktop screens, because if you've ever cooked on a cooktop, especially when it's got like a lot of oil or grease or whatever that's splattering, this is a game changer, and here is why. This pack comes in a pack of 3. There are a couple different sizes. You got 13 inches, 11, and 10 inches. They are 304 stainless steel, which is cool because then they're not going to rust, which is nice. They also can be thrown right in the dishwashers. Because it's a screen, it can definitely be cleaned. You can be cleaned in a sink, but the convenience of just throwing these in a dishwasher, being quote unquote dishwasher safe, is a nice, convenient plus. Another cool thing, which I didn't even think about until I got these, was that these have these little feet on the bottom. So if they need to be sat down on a counter, they can be put like this, and they're off the about a half to 3/4 inch. So about a half to 3/4 inch, they're off the counter. Now, these are pretty simple to use. So if you're cooking something with like oil, grease, something that might be splattering, especially oil, which is like always, it's gonna get you. You know, it's splattering. It's not only gonna make a mess, but it's gonna get on your hands and it doesn't feel so good. All you got to do is you just set it on top, and having this these little feet right here, depending on the size of your pan, it kind of keeps it in place. So like in this example, it automatically centers because this is the same distance all the way around, and it lays right on top and keeps it in place. Kind of cool. Wasn't even thinking about that until I started using it. Another cool thing is that the handles, I don't even know what they're made out of. It feels like a hard plastic, but it does not get hot. So when holding this, rest assured you can grip it and not kind of worry about the temperature and the handle getting too warm. Also, the way it's constructed, these can be used as hooks. So depending on the kitchen layout, if it was something you prefer to have it hanging, or if you were using this for, let's say, storage, and the layout of the kitchen cabinets or whatever it is was conducive to hanging something, it can just hang like this. Just gives another option from a convenience standpoint, especially when storing these. Close up of these, you can see the stainless steel mesh. It's very fine, but not too fine that you can't see through it. So you definitely can see through it. It has sort of a translucent property to it because it's not solid, but you can definitely see through it. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, tell us what you think about these splatter screens for pretty much grilling or frying on the old cooktop. Hopefully all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.